Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable the screen lock in itel. Okay guys, I will teach you how to enable the pin screen lock. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, here in your itel mobile phones, okay, you'll have to do is go to settings. Okay guys, here in settings, select security and location. Okay guys, here in security and locations, okay, go to device security. And okay guys, here you can see the screen lock. So okay, click screen lock. And now we here in screen lock options. Okay guys, you can see the swipe, pattern, pin, and password. So okay, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to enable the screen lock via pin. So okay guys, you all have to do is click pin. And okay guys, set screen lock for security. So okay guys, pin must be at least 4 digits. Okay guys. Okay guys, after you enter the pin, so okay, click next button. And okay guys, re-enter your pin. And okay, after that, click confirm button. And okay guys, notification when your device is locked. How do you want notification to show? So okay, there are 3 options. Show all notification content, and hide sensitive content, and don't show notification at all. So okay guys, I select don't show notification at all. And after that guys, click done button on the lower right side on your screen. And okay guys, we have set security question. So okay guys, but this security, you can skip this by clicking the skip button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, we have successfully set the screen lock or pin screen lock in your itel mobile phone. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.